I'm Elvira Murdoch from Melbourne, and I really thank Peter Lim and the SOG family, I would say, and my upline as well, for having the care and concern for each one of us. I'm pretty sure that each one of us had a positive effect, has a positive benefit that we got from SOG, not only SOG, but the other products of the company as well. But talking about SOG, I've been looking actually for something that would help me in detoxification and cleansing, but not only that, but having also that nutritional supplement as well. Because I don't like the traditional one that you get from the chemist, wherein you detox yourself for about 10 to 15 days, and then you wait again for another year to detox yourself. Because to me, I think that because we've been eating every day, we really have to detox more or less, or cleanse our body every day from all these pesticides or things that we put in our body. And so when I've been looking for that, and my upline Larry and Nelly and Ganan actually told me about it, I said, that's the product I've been looking for some time, because I'm a person who's not a pill person or tablet or capsule person. I really hate taking pills or tablets as vitamins, although I know that we need nutritional supplementation nowadays, but really it's very hard for me to take pills and tablets. And so when this SOG came and in powder form, I said, oh, that's it. But the first thing I asked really my upline Larry was, how's the taste? Because if it is in powder form and still got a good taste, I cannot buy it. So he said, oh, it's really beautiful taste. I like the taste, really. And so I trust Larry, I trust Nelly, and even though I don't have the product yet, I said, put me in. And so I'm really thankful for Larry and Nelly for having that concern. And because here, it's not only the money, the financial gain that we have, I think it's more on really helping one another and building this planet to become a healthy family again. Because most of us have been affected really by all these negative radiations and pesticides and things that gives actually high percentages of cancer and arthritis or whatever diseases. And I know that this SOG and the other products of the company is helping us to get back that wholeness, that we can be whole again and have that health going back to us again, and enjoy life and enjoy our family and enjoy the rest of our life here on earth. And so I praise God as well for giving Peter and wife and the whole SOG City Direct family, for Myra as well, for all the help, and Delphine also for all the help they have been doing for me as well in training me here and giving all the input that they could give, the assistance, the support that they can give as well, for bringing that vision of wellness for the whole earth. So thank you very much, and so I'll see you again. Yes.